Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transform text into uppercase using Editor X. The first thing we're going to do is set up a new project. We're going to select the Editor X as the platform we want to use, and we will start from scratch with a blank canvas. The reason you would use this method to transform text into uppercase instead of just typing it out in capital letters is there's a chance that screen readers will read out every letter instead of the word. Now that we know why we would use this method, I'll show you how. The first thing we will do is we will add a text element to the page. We click on the Add Elements button up here and we'll drag this title to the page. We will edit the text to the classic Hello World. Next, we will make that text a bit bigger by selecting the theme heading 1. We will go to the layout panel and set the width to max content, and let's center that. The next thing we have to do is turn on dev mode. We come up here and click turn on dev mode. Now that dev mode is activated, what we are going to do is rewrite this tag using JavaScript and using an inline style to transform the text. So the first thing we will do is select this element, and then we can come down to here and we can change the ID to anything that you like, but I'm going to go with heading. Now that that's done, let's start writing some JavaScript. Within this onReady function, we type a $W and brackets, then in quotes we select the heading by hash and type in the name that we have given it. Very similar to document.getElementById if you've used JavaScript before. In this case, what we do next is a dot HTML equals. Now we rewrite the tag. So we start with quotes, and we're going to use a H1 tag here. Whoops. And let's close off that H1 tag. Now we will put hello world inside the H1 tag, and we'll add a couple of exclamation points this time. Then what we do is we come to the opening tag, and this is where we write our inline style. So we start with style equals, then open quotes and a close quote. In here is where we type the CSS, and we type text dash transform colon uppercase semicolon, and that should be it. If we come over and click run, give it a second and it should change to uppercase. It hasn't. Let's click back, edit site, text trans. I've missed out the S. Now if we click run, there we go. And there you have it, how to transform text into uppercase and help keep your site accessibility friendly. If you enjoyed this video, hit like down below, and I hope you have found it helpful, and thank you for watching.